Are we rolling?
Rolling.
Quiet on the set. Okay. Hey, Jonathan Fixes again. Got some more free work to do for the new video guy. And somebody popped his bumper and it's got a big gap here now and it doesn't fit here and it's just pretty much ugly. He wants it fixed, so let's see what it takes to make it not ugly. All right, pop those out. There's 3 little pins in there. Yeah, we can show you, but it's 3 pins. You're not going to miss it. And then we have to take this bumper back and see what got discombobulated in there. We have an executive assistant now, Zach. Jonathan Fixes via by proxy, Zach. Is there a bolt up here? I don't feel any. Are they up here? Right there? What size? 10? 7? All right, you want your bzz bzz or a ratchet?
Is that the technical term?
The bzz bzz? Yeah, see? Listen to it. It goes zip, zip. Ooh, look at there. What's this thing got on it? About 180? 1,000 miles.
90.
90,000 miles?
Yeah.
Great part of this is if we break it, it doesn't really matter.
Then I've got video evidence.
Great. If the camera gets broke, you don't? Yeah. What year is this? 15?
16.
16. I'm sorry. My apologies. 16 Mustang. And he said where the bumper met the wing.
Yeah, the wing.
Is that what you said? The wing? I didn't understand it. That's a fender.
Because it doesn't fly, you said.
It's not a plane. All right, let's see what we... Oh, I think here's your problem. That's kind of broken. So, see how it... All right. So you pop it back together, get rid of the gap, put your bolt back in. No gap. How many times I can say no gap in one video? How's that look?
Let's see.
Well, good. I was asking you, not the camera.
Well, we'll film it out.
Oh, okay. Well, put your 3 clips back in. There's one. Hey, it's right here. It's on the ground. You're probably going to need a bumper if it breaks anymore, because there's only a tab that holds it.
There's supposed to be a tab here and one up there.
Yeah, and then
one up there.
One here.
Okay.
There's one down there. But you got no gap.
There's no gap.
Yeah. All right, now it's time for test drive.
I just don't have to crash it, basically.
You already did that. Oh, I know. You didn't do that. Oh, you're not filming, are you?
What?
Are you still filming?
It's filming.
Oh. I said you crashed it. It's your car, and you were like, I didn't crash it. Well, I damn sure didn't. I don't drive it. It's not my car. Well, that was it for today's episode of Jonathan Kinda Fixes. That was pretty sad and uneventful, but yeah, you know, baby steps. Getting back in the swing of things. Until next time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Okay. Cheers.